Hi, in this video, I will take you through the process of how to upload a document to the e-signature module and add one or more recipients, and also how to add fields to the document. So, to upload a document, we can either click on this plus button or somewhere here, or you can click on Start Now. So choose a document of your choice that you need to send it. The system will throw you a couple of options. One, to save the document as a draft, which means the document will be saved as a template that could be used for future purpose. I click on draft to save it as a template. So this means I am going to add the required fields to the document and I will save it as a template. So I will take you through this flow in my other video. And when I click on continue, the document will be directly sent to the recipients after adding required fields. So I'll click on continue. So here you could see the document is uploaded here. If you like to have a look at the document, you can click on view document. Or if you think that you have added a wrong document, you can click on this delete icon so that the system will help you to add a new document. As you scroll down, so you can enable the locations. It is important that you add expiry date of the document. And as you scroll down, you could see a section where you need to add the recipients that you are willing to send this document to. So here you could send this document to more than one recipient. So by clicking on add more recipients, you could add another recipient. If you want to add more, you can keep clicking on it. So it will help you with options to send to more than one recipients. So here, this is the place where I have to send out the document. And so there are two recipients. I'm going to add the recipient field for each recipient. Now that I have chosen Kabir SM, the color combination will tell you to whom this field belongs to. If I want to add field for Humayun, again I had to add field. The color combination will be different. So now I can directly go ahead and send it. It is applicable to any field that what you are creating here. I can send out. So we have successfully sent the document. Thank you.